Thank you guys for having us here. From Building and Interiors, we are happy to be here to be, going through this tastefully done studio, and we look forward to more and more architects walking in and doing, their purchase from your store. So, what are your initial impressions of the kind of brands you are dealing with, especially with Stiebel Eltron?
With Stiebel Eltron, definitely. I mean, Stiebel being number one in renewable energies, I'll say. And I mean, they're benchmarkers. Almost more than 100 years old now. You know, they invented the emulsion rods in 1924, 24 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and then instant geysers, and then heat pumps, the first ones to create. So always they'll have that benchmark, and they'll always have that footprint. And if we talk about differentiation, definitely there's no match of what quality and line of products Stiebel has, and definitely the legacy that they carry of 100 years. That's a lot to talk.
Right. So, what is your take on getting the? So, what's your message? I would say for the architects and for the designers who would like to explore your store, especially for products like ventilation and heat pumps. So, what's your message to them?
Come and experience my store. We have heat pumps. We have instant geysers. Instant geysers are live at multiple places. We can show you live in a kitchen faucet. We can show you live in showering areas, whether it's a body spray, ceiling shower, wall shower. So you not only we not only talk about the product,
Right.
we make you experience the product. So that's where the different lie. The ventilation here is like the entire floor that we are sitting on. This is 2,500 square feet, and the ventilation is live here.
Okay.
So the same ventilation is installed in WHO. So that's a very big benchmark for Stiebel, as well as all the channel partners like us. And yes, definitely in North India, we're the first ones who have made the ventilation live here. So yes, a lot to see, a lot to say.
Right.
On Stiebel. The floor heaters are live. So we talk about the product, we have it live. We make you experience those products.
Right.
So basically, Stiebel is more about innovation,
Right.
and luxury, and energy efficient, of course.
Right. And what is your take on Stiebel?
Stiebel, they have technologies which we haven't seen or anyone hasn't done yet. So they are masters in the trade, and there's no brand like Stiebel. Yeah.
As a market, Jaipur is fairly a big city in terms of having so many different dealers are there dealing with the same brand. Do you also get catchment areas, people coming in and making purchases? So, what are the areas from where people come to make a purchase in Jaipur?
In Jaipur, I'll say surrounding 150, 150 kilometers is the radius that we look at. People from Ajmer, people from Kishangarh, people from nearby areas like Tong, and I'll say
Kota,
Kota.
and
I mean, it totally depends, because people stay somewhere, they build their houses somewhere, some are renovating. So it totally depends. I would say it's not restricted to where you are,
Right.
or where you come from. It's about what you offer.
Right.
And the experience.
Well,
You will hear me saying this word experience a lot many times, because we are not just selling product. We are giving you an experience.
Well, congratulations again on this fantastic store, and we wish you all the best for the future. Right?
Thank you so
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thanks
so
so much
much.
for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks.